Alright, we're back working on this thing again. I want to try to get that other cylinder head on today if I can, but before I do that I want to get this side all buttoned up so it doesn't get dirt in there. So that's the plan. I put some masking tape on there so I don't drop anything down in there. The gasket set come with a cork gasket. I know these like to leak, so I was kind of nervous about using it. But I guess since we have it, we'll put it on. I say I pinched off that return line. Better fix that before I forget about it. This was the one with the broken bolt in it. Call it rust. Alright, I got a new dowel pin here. Well, it's not really a pin, it's more of a ring or bushing or something. GM calls it a dowel pin. But the one that was there got buggered up when that bolt broke off and we had to drill it out. That just guides the head on. Alright, now we just gotta, I got the head cleaned out. We just gotta blow all the dirt and garbage out of here and we can put this side on. Well, I can't roll it forward anymore, so hopefully this will get it. Alright, I finally got it on there. That was a pain in the butt. That bracket that bolts to the exhaust manifold. You see it right down there. That kept hanging up on those two aluminum transmission cooler lines. The transmission cooler lines had the clamp around it, and then they bolted to that. That was the one that I couldn't get off, and I just took some tin snips and stuck down there and snipped it off. That stupid thing kept sitting on top of those transmission cooler lines, and they won't budge. So I finally got them around it. Got it to sit down. I hope I didn't bugger the head gasket up any. I guess we'll find out. Alright, well, that's as far as I got last night. I got the studs and the nuts on. Now I just got to torque them down. It's already like 7 o'clock. Nobody can... I wanted to get the whole truck done today. I wanted to work on it all day, but nobody can do anything on their own. I gotta hold their hand. This is why stuff doesn't get done. I got the valve cover kinda on. This side has some bolts and studs, and I don't know what goes where. So I just got 2 bolts in it, and I'm gonna start putting stuff back together and try to figure out where those go. I'm pretty sure they just go in the middle. There's 3 studs, the rest are bolts. There's a metal bracket that goes over the center. I think it bolts to the bottom too. That holds the injector lines. But just to be sure, I'll wait and put that on later. I'm going to put the intake manifold on now. I have to get the dipstick tube back in too. Alright, I'm going to try and put the injector lines back on. I labeled them when I took them off. Yeah, pull this back off real quick. Wire harness goes underneath. we gotta get the injector lines on the other side, then I can put the intake back on. Alright, next I'm going to put this exhaust manifold on, but I want to get the turbocharger off of it and put them on separate. And that way in the future, if I need to work on it, because there ain't no way I could get these off with it in the truck, I'd have to pull the exhaust manifold off again.